નમસ્કાર, આપ જોઈ રહ્યા છો સ્પાર્ક ટુડે ન્યૂઝ. સ્માર્ટ વર્કર્સ કોવર્કિંગ સ્પેસીસ લિમિટેડનો આઈપીઓ 14 જુલાઈના રોજ બંધ થશે. સ્માર્ટ વર્કર્સ કોવર્કિંગ સ્પેસીસ લિમિટેડ 10 જુલાઈ 2025ના રોજ તેની ખૂબ જ અપેક્ષિત પ્રારંભિક જાહેર ઓફર લોન્ચ કરવા માટે તૈયાર છે, જેની બોલી લગાવવાની અવધિ 14 જુલાઈ 2025ના રોજ બંધ થશે. આઈપીઓની કિંમત બેન્ડ પ્રતિ ઇક્વિટી શેર 387 થી 407 નક્કી કરવામાં આવી છે અને ઓફરમાં 4,450 મિલિયન સુધીનો નોંધપાત્ર ફ્રેશ ઇસ્યુ ઓફર ફોર સેલ સાથે સામેલ છે, જેમાં મુખ્યત્વે નવા કેન્દ્રોમાં વ્યૂહાત્મક મૂડી ખર્ચ અને દિવાળી ચૂકવણી માટે નિયુક્ત રકમનો સમાવેશ થાય છે. પાત્ર કર્મચારીઓને પ્રતિ શેર 37 રૂપિયાનો ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ આપવામાં આવે છે અને ઓછામાં ઓછા 36 ઇક્વિટી શેર માટે બોલી લગાવી શકાય છે. આ આઈપીઓ રોકાણકારો માટે અગ્રણી કોવર્કિંગ સ્પેસ પ્રદાતાઓમાંના એકના વિકાસમાં ભાગ લેવાની એક આકર્ષક તક રજૂ કરે છે.
Hi, my name is Nitish Sarda. I'm the founder of SmartWorks.
Hi, I'm Harsh Binani. I'm the co-founder of SmartWorks.
Before we talk about SmartWorks, just a little bit of detail about the SmartWorks IPO and its issue.
Today, SmartWorks, on the upper end of our price band of 407, is raising 582 crores, which predominantly includes primary infusion of 445 crores. The use of proceeds would be to help us scale up to our next leg of growth and also repay some high-cost debt of 114 crores. We also have a small OFS component which is coming from the Keppel and a very small portion from the promoters.
SmartWorks is India's largest managed campus platform today. We operate more than 10 million square foot spread across 15 cities with over 200,000 seats and more than 50 sector. Our focus is on mid to large enterprise clients, where today we serve more than 700 such large enterprises spread across the country. We are very humbled to have customers like Google, Lawson & Toubro, Grow, and Persistent Systems as some of our esteemed clients. In a short span of just 2 years, SmartWorks has grown from 6 million square foot in 2020 to 10 million square foot as of 2025. In this, our revenues have grown from 711 crores to 1375 crores. But with that, our EBITDA, which is our cash EBITDA, has grown from 36 crores to 172 crores, almost twice at the base at which our revenue was. SmartWorks has been able to create a product which is very unique with its offering of taking large individual buildings from non-institutional landlords and giving it out to mid to large enterprise clients. We've been able to scale in an industry which has scaled so quickly from 0 to almost 88 billion square foot across the country. SmartWorks has been able to scale 1.5 times faster than the industry. While the industry has scaled at a CAGR of 23%, SmartWorks has scaled at a CAGR of 38% in the last 3 years.
So today, what are our key strengths? We are the largest player in the space with extensive reach across India. We specialize in large format centers and serve it to large enterprise clients who stay with us for long tenures, and we enjoy very high client retention rates. Today, we have cost efficiency because we incur the lowest cost on both CapEx and OpEx compared to any other flexible operator as per CVR. We are capital efficient and we've de-risked our model with several risk mitigation strategies. And we have a very young and dynamic team. And today, our promoters continue owning more than 65% of the business in a pre-IPO scenario, and we have large marquee investors like Government of Singapore-backed Keppel Land, Madhukela Family Office, Hexaware, Anatta Capital, Jagdish Master, all of whom have not only invested in the company but reinvested in our entire growth journey.